In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to manage multiple Google accounts on one PC, which is helpful if you have a personal Google account, a work account, or even several personal accounts that you want to keep organized. Let's get started. First, launch your Google Chrome. So if you haven't installed Chrome yet, you will need to download and install it first. Once Chrome is open, go to top right corner and click on your Chrome profile icon. Make sure you tap the Chrome icon, not the Google account one. From the menu, select Add Chrome Profile, which is the best way to manage multiple Google accounts because each Chrome profile keeps its own bookmarks, history, extensions, and Google login separate. Click Sign In and log into the next Google account you want to use. Then tap Yes, I'm in to start syncing your data and finish setting up the new profile. After it's added, click the profile icon again and you will see profiles listed. You can hover over them to manage each one or add another profile. Now, whenever you open Chrome, you'll get a pop-up allowing you to choose which Google account or profile you want to use, making switch between accounts simple and organized. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.